How to completely wipe a disk. Secure Disk Erase Tool.
First, let's check the data on the external hard drive. Open it, and you can see there are some video clips that we want to permanently delete. Now, let's open the software. You'll find the download link in the description.
This is the interface of SysTool's Data Wipe software. With this tool, you can wipe data from different types of storage, such as disks, partitions, pen drives, and folders. In this video tutorial, we'll be using the disk option since we need to wipe data from an external hard drive. Now, select your external hard disk from the list. Note, make sure to choose the correct drive. If you select the wrong one, its data will also be permanently erased. To identify the right drive, you can check the media type and disk size shown in the fields. In our case, the external hard drive is listed on the left side. To select it, simply enable the checkbox next to the drive, and then click Next at the bottom to continue.
Now, you need to select the data wipe method. There are several options available based on your needs. Simple methods are fast but not very effective. Standard methods take more time but are more reliable, and complex methods are very slow but offer the highest level of data security. Each method uses a specific number of passes. One-pass method is quick since it overwrites the data only once, while a 35-pass method takes much longer as it overwrites the data 35 times using different patterns. For this video, we'll use the 0-1-pass method, but you can choose any method that suits your requirements. Now click the Wipe button at the bottom right. A confirmation message will appear. Simply click Yes and then click Yes again to start the wiping process. The process has now started and will take some time, depending on your data size and complexity. The wipe process is now complete. A message will appear asking, "Would you like to generate a report?" Click Yes if you want to review the wipe process, or No if you don't want to generate a report. Next, click the Save Report button at the bottom. Choose the location where you want to save it, give the file a name, and then click Save. Now, let's check the external hard drive. Open it, and as you can see, the data has been completely wiped. After this process, no recovery software will be able to retrieve the data. Next, let's check the report. It's saved in PDF format. Open it, and you can review all the details of the wipe process. And that's it. That's how you can permanently wipe data using SysTool's Data Wipe software.